Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In this video, I'll be doing the 4G gameplay test in the Realme X7 Pro device. As you can clearly see, friends, I'm using the Realme X7 Pro smartphone, and it is a game which I have downloaded. And let's see how well the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor will be able to handle this kind of game, the 4G game. The 4G game is not too high-end game at the moment. It's only close to 500 MB of storage, so it's not that big game, I would say, definitely. So this is the initial stage of developing the game, so make sure to check the links in description, friends. And just recently I did finish the Realme X1 Pro using after 100 days as well, so make sure to check that video just in case if you want to know complete review and thoughts about this device. So recently I did upload it, I think yesterday, and a lot of very good feedback I'm getting regarding this Realme X1 Pro particularly. So make sure to check the recently uploaded videos and also follow the playlist for regular updates. And just in case, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, friends, for more interesting videos similarly like this you can find here right now. So let me try to close the 4G game which I opened before, and let me try to show you the complete interface and how it looks, the gameplay, and what is the real-time FPS as well, how much you can get in this phone. So by using this kind of real-time FPS trick, you can get this kind of very good real-time feedback from the top. As you can see, friends, right now you can see the 60 FPS. I did enable 120 FPS as well for this game. I have enabled, and let me try to quickly show you the settings. So by default it will be set to the medium settings, as you can clearly see here, friends. And later on you can set it to the high or very high or ultra as well. So let me try to set to the ultra settings at the moment. So I have set to the ultra settings at the moment. So let me try to start playing the game. And right now it's available in the companion mode, and this is a very good video which will describe everything, friends. So it's a really good animated, and sound effects are really good while watching this video. I'll try to upload complete separate video on this one, on this particular video only, by recording the screen recording of this particular thing. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that audio, just in case if you want to know. And let me try to skip it everything, and let me try to show you the gameplay, how it looks. As you can see, friends, this is the gameplay, this is how it looks, and it was really good. And you cannot expect the big graphics at the moment. The graphics are really not that high. You cannot compare to the PUBG, but maybe you will be able to compare to the Call of Duty, I think. But it was really good graphics overall. So let me try to keep the volume slightly high so you can exactly listen to the fights. As you can see, friends, slow motion, so which is also another good advantage here. You can see the light effects, this how it looks, the lighting effects as well. So let me try to slightly increase the brightness so you can see exactly. The game is bit kind of dark at the moment, everything. So real-time FPS, I'm getting around 60 FPS using the ultra settings, friends. So these are ultra settings. The gameplay is about ultra, and with the maximum settings, I'm getting around 60 FPS. That's a really good advantage. As you can see, friends, taking the hammer and killing. As you can see, you can even take the hammers. You can change the hammers. As you can see, slow motion thing is going on right now. So overall the gameplay is really good, and I was able to play very smooth without any lag or without any issues during this time. And throughout the time I'm getting the frame rates about 60 fps consistently, so without any drop or any lag. Now you can listen to the song music very much while I'm beating.
Hope you told your family goodbye.
As you can see friends, slow motion. So you got really good background music and background voice as well in this game. That's a bonus advantage here.
Corporal, तुम कहाँ हो?
As you can see friends, you'll be getting the 3D audio effect as well from left to right. So because of this dual speaker setup which is present, which makes really good experience while playing this kind of game in the loudspeaker mode. As you can see friends, the gameplay is really good, and no issues at the moment. And the Dimensity, I think this is a very small game, so it's not too much big game to which cannot be able to handle, but it's a very small game overall. Which has got really good moves while gaming. And I do like the slow motion of kicking them. So definitely I'll be looking for the multiplayer as well, multiplayer mode in the future. So maybe. So let's see friends whether we'll be able to get the multiplayer or not.
मैंने जितना सोचा था हालात मुझसे कहीं ज्यादा बुरे तो हो जाए.
So that's it friends, it's a quick review on this gameplay of this in this Realme X1 Pro. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and don't forget to check the links in description friends for more details of this Realme X1 Pro. You'll find so many interesting videos on the Realme X1 Pro which I uploaded. As I said, recently I did finish 100 days of using this device. You will get to know more details in that video if you'll watch. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.